Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily recover deleted TikTok videos. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's start. First, let's go ahead and get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store only to make sure the TikTok app is updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to run smoothly. Now let's quit the store and open TikTok. Of course, in TikTok you have to be logged into your account, the one where you lost the videos or the videos that got deleted in. Anyways, let's go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner, and then from here we need to go to settings. So of course we tap on the three lines in the top right corner. You might notice I don't have videos here, but it doesn't really matter, you can just follow up with me. Anyways, tap on those three lines in the top right corner, and then from here let's tap on settings and privacy. Now within settings right here, we need to go ahead and basically report this issue to TikTok support team, and I'll show you how to do it. It can be tricky sometimes, so we need to narrow down the problem that we have for the support team. Within settings, tap on help center first right here, and then here you might find many places to report a problem. As you can see, this is the frequently asked questions, report a problem right under it. You can get lost basically here, but it's not where we need to go right now. As you can see, you can find out how to report a problem here, or you can just follow up with me. Let me go ahead and go back from here, just like that, and then let's scroll down until you find posts. Here it is. So under posts you need to go ahead and tap on see more in the bottom, and then in see more tap on feed. Should be in the top right here, and then within feed you can tap on other, it's in the bottom again. You can again tap on chat with us in the bottom and start from there, but we'll try to narrow down the problem to get a response from them quickly. From here choose that it wasn't helpful, and then you can go ahead and tap to get more help. Again, let me choose feed because it's quicker, and just like that I can talk to them and tell them about my issue, and once I'm done explaining it with details, I can tap in the top right corner and find my ticket, and hopefully they can fix my issue within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it for this video, guys. This is how you will get your videos recovered on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.